Hi, I'm Cale from Melling. Thanks for clicking. Melling is excited to announce the release of the 10452 Performance Series oil pump. The 10452 is the Performance Series pump for the M452 stock replacement pump, which fits certain 5.7 and 6.4 Chrysler HEMI engines. The 10452 is a standard volume high pressure pump featuring a factory installed 75 psi bypass spring. The pump will also include an optional 65 psi bypass spring, which can be changed by removing the threaded bypass plug. The 10452 features a hard coat anodized body and coated cast iron cover. These features increase the pump's durability and sealing capabilities. The 10452 is a direct fit replacement requiring no modifications, and every pump is flow and pressure tested during the manufacturing process. I'm Cale from Melling. Thanks for clicking.